Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We decided at the last minute to leave a day earlier for our trip to the Kgalagadi. It's January the 1st, 2026. It's just after 9 in the morning and we've hit the road. After a few hours on the road, we finally made it to our stop for the night, the Rooi Kar farm stall. As the sun starts to set, we're settling in for a quiet evening, relaxing and enjoying the peaceful surroundings, the perfect way to break up a long trip. Thanks for joining us on our journey. We'll pick this up as we head into the Kgalagadi.